Let's take a look at the past simple tense phrases, which are commonly used to talk about past routines. Here, you have to use the verbs in the past simple to form the sentences. I woke up at 9:30. I woke up at 9:30. I got up around 9. I got up around 9. I set the alarm clock. I set the alarm clock. My alarm went off at 5. My alarm went off at 5. I pressed the snooze button. I pressed the snooze button. I drank a cup of milk. I drank a cup of milk. I got dressed. I got dressed. I got home. I got home. I brushed my teeth. I brushed my teeth. I brushed my hair. I brushed my hair. I took off my makeup. I took off my makeup. I turned off the radio. I turned off the radio. I took a nap after lunch. I took a nap after lunch. I took a shower. I took a shower. I took the bus. I took the bus. I took my medication. I took my medication. I took out the trash after dinner. I took out the trash after dinner. I went to work. I went to work. I went to school. I went to school. I went to bed. I went to bed. I went home. I went home. I drank tea. I drank tea. I ironed my clothes. I ironed my clothes. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. I checked my emails. I checked my emails. I answered my emails. I answered my emails. I made my bed. I made my bed. I walked my dog. I walked my dog. I had breakfast. I had breakfast. I did my chores. I did my chores. I did the dishes. I did the dishes. I made lunch. I made lunch. I worked from home. I worked from home. I put the dishes away. I put the dishes away. I waited for the cab. I waited for the cab. I put on my pajamas. I put on my pajamas. I put on the TV. I put on the TV. I put on my shirt. I put on my shirt. I put my phone away. I put my phone away. I charged my phone. I charged my phone. I walked to work. I walked to work. I meditated. I meditated. I listened to music. I listened to music. I turned off the lights. I turned off the lights. I fed my dog. I fed my dog. I locked the doors. I locked the doors. I vacuumed the floor. I vacuumed the floor. I fell asleep. I fell asleep. I tidied up my room. I tidied up my room. I bought groceries after work. I bought groceries after work. I cleaned up the house. I cleaned up the house. I got the bus at 7. I got the bus at 7. I did the laundry. I did the laundry. I made my bed. I made my bed. I combed my hair. I combed my hair. I got in bed. I got in bed. I cooked my breakfast. I cooked my breakfast. I changed my clothes. I changed my clothes.